My video guide is about removing the browser hijacker called Finder Search. Finder Search is a browser hijacker that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers too. FinderSearch.com hijacks the default homepage and search engine settings. So whenever you submit any search queries, you would get the results by some other fake search engines. The results delivered by this Finder search are not really relevant and don't really match the user's expectations. So we recommend that you carefully check the list of your browser extensions. Such hijackers, similar to Finder search, operate in Google Chrome through a special unwanted browser extension. To remove it, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, and then if you see any third-party extensions here, disable and remove them. In order to make sure that the system is free of any other possibly hidden threats, my recommendation is that you research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official website, combocleaner.com. Go to this official website, download the program, install it, and then start examining your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other infections. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.